Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am making Basamel pasta oven. First of all, I will start with beef means boiling because it get a bad smell. That's why I boil this one two time and then I will make the stuffing. And now it's time to boiling the pasta. I will use sedani pasta and I use some oil for non-stick and use some salt also because if you use oil and salt it will like neat and clean. And this is the mise en place of my stuffing pasta. Now let's see how can I make this. And must be after the boiling water then use pasta because it will get like neat and clean. You see the beef minced is totally boiled. After 12 minutes the pasta is totally boiled and I use some oil because it will not sticky. And now I will make the stuffing for pasta. Let's see. First of all I use butter and I use some olive oil. After the butter totally melt then I will use first garlic. You can see. Then after the garlic then I will use onions. Then I will saute it for some times. Then I use the boiled beef minced. Now it's time to use some spices. I will use black pepper, paprika and baharat and salt. Then I will saute it very good. Then I use some parsley. Then I use dill leaves. And last I use bell pepper. It's known as capsicum, like this. Then I will mix it well and cooked very well. And now it's time to make the bechamel sauce. First of all I use butter. After the melt of butter I use flour like 3 to 4 uh, teaspoon. After it get brown color then I will use milk. You can see. After sometimes I will use white pepper and salt. And I will use some cooking cream also for the bechamel sauce. After sometimes the sauce will look like this. Now I use the heat resistance glass for the pasta oven. Then I mix the bechamel sauce and pasta, and in first layer I put this. Then second layer I will use the stuffing, you see. And the third layer I use bechamel sauce and pasta mix. After I use bechamel sauce in upside, and last I will use mozzarella cheese in upside. And I also use some cherry fruit. Then I put in the oven. Now you can see here is my final look of my bechamel pasta. And last I use some uh, oregano in toppings. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.